To vlog this
Why?
for my YouTube channel.
No, you.
Yeah. That's Jacob. He has playdate today. Say hi.
No!
Saan playdate mo? Where's your playdate? Ikaw, saan ang playdate? Saan yung nililigawan mo na? Iba na?
Quiet, mom.
These are my sons, Ethan and Jacob. Here. Have you seen them when they were a baby?
No, don't tell.
Just check the channel. Okay, and then you will see them when they were 1 year old and 2 years old, and then that's it. So I need to drive, and Ethan will. So you have to tell something while I'm driving.
She acts too much like Courtney.
What? So
Look at her.
seatbelt
Look what she did.
first.
Look what she did to her eyebrows. She got like tattoo eyebrows.
Thanks to Kenji, it's so kapal pa, pero it will fade. It's just my second day of my eyebrows, combi brows. So, that's it. Guys, we're here at McDonald's Southwoods. We're eating now.
What every Kardashian mom would want to do.
Say something.
My life.
Hindi na kita dadalhin doon sa playdate mo.
No.
Gusto mo?
No.
Oo. Ikaw.
I could
I didn't do anything. Jacob! Hello there. We're done with McDonald's. My mom's driving to my brother's best friend's house. And then after this, he has another play date. It's torturing.
Easy ka.
I get 1 whole day of play date with a lot of friends, and he gets 2 in 1 day. It's torturing. What do you say with that, dude?
Huh?
What you wanna say?
Who is Royce? Tell them. Who's
My-
Royce?
Best friend. My childhood best friend, yes.
It's been with him
Since
since.
when?
Since kinder. Xavier. And that was in 2014.
You show the place. Where are we now?
No!
We're in a place.
Oh, we're here. Yes.
We're in a place called the Village, and this
And
is.
that, wait, that Royce's
Southwood.
dad.
Is that? Oh, there's McDonald's. Oh, Shakey's.
Oh, I told you,
I
Ma.
told no. If we were.
Show
if
the
we-
place. Show the place.
So big.
I'll get you, huh, boys?
Yeah, Ma, bye, Ma, love you.
Give me.
Well, I get to play.
Say bye.
Bye bye,
I have
dudes.
to bring all my bags.
Depends on you. It help.
I'll leave my shoes.
Bye. Uy, kuya, look after, ha?
Bye, dudes.
Hi, guys. So, this is my second day of my combi bros from Kenji. There. Medyo mukha siyang makapal because it's just a second day. It says there from the tips and the rules is you have to wait until the 6th week para makita mo talaga yung best results for you. So for now, nag-heal pa siya. Hindi ko siya binasa when I took a bath. Yan. So I have to wait pa and to be patient. Ayoko siyang basain. So I need to put ointment for 3 days before sleeping. Kagabi nakalimutan ko. So that's it.